This is Optimus, y'all. I know Optimus is a little less than stellar right now. See the Transformer sign right there? It's this Optimus Prime, baby. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. They just did your girl dirty. They did your girl dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Like, I'm still trying to figure out how in all get out do you warp a screw? In the house I go. Off of my baby. Off of my baby. Y'all, again, be careful who you hire to do your contracting work. I've heard some stories about contractors, but this right here, this has never happened to me. It's never happened. Not anything to this magnitude where I'm like, I've got so much waste. Like, all of this is just wasted. I mean, look at this. Like, this is what I'm saying. Look at this. They warped screws. Like, I'm still trying to figure out how in all get out do you warp a screw? Like, you're screwing something in. How do you warp it? Now, this ain't the only screw like this. Look at this one right here. These are probably fairly good, but look at that. That screw is warped. So even if I take it out, I still can't use it. I got all kind of waste. All kind of waste. All kind of waste. And I'm sitting here like, really? Like, and this wood is not cheap. The majority of this wood is pressure treated. This wood is like pressure treated. So it's not like it's like the cheaper one. This is pressure treated. Pressure treated is more expensive wood. It takes, it costs more. So I'm sitting here with all this excess wood and I'm like, I cannot believe it. Like, warped nails. I can't even reuse what the majority of this wood, I can't even reuse it. So this is honestly almost like a contractor nightmare. It really is. This is a contractor nightmare. Well, a customer nightmare. Let's say that. This to me is a customer nightmare because I've got to go and buy more wood, more screws, more of this paper to put on top of the shed, more of this right here because I had a whole row. They used that up. I've got to buy more shingles because what was up was not right. So it's like I said, this is a customer nightmare. I don't know if anybody's ever experienced this before. Thankfully, I found dude. He is doing his big one on this right here. I appreciate it. I'm just saying, like, overall, like, I just wanted a place to house Optimus. This is Optimus, y'all. I know Optimus is a little less than stellar right now. See the Transformer sign right there? It's this Optimus Prime, baby. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Yeah. So this is Optimus right here. And I wanted a place to house Optimus because I'm not ready to depart from Optimus yet. So instead of having him in the corner, I was like, let me put him in an extension of the shed. So this is why I'm actually having the shed built to house my baby, because we done been through some stuff. Me and Optimus, we've been through some stuff. Late night, cold mornings, riding home, and it's like I had a place for him, but like I said, I'd rather just put him to the side so I can figure out what I want to do with him. But like I said, we've been on some late night rides. You know how you ride in the middle of the night, even in a car. If you ride in the middle of the night, you'll find like a hot spot as the wind is going through your as the wind is just moving by or whatever. It'll be like real cold, and you'll hit like a hot spot, a warm spot. You know, I know what I'm talking about. If you know, then you know those like late day, those summer nights anyway. It would be cold in the morning and hot in the day. That's the type of times that me and Optimus used to have. We used to be up and down 77, baby. We used to literally get it in. When I tell you we used to get it in. Riding up and down that highway. Police chases. I ain't gonna say police chases, okay? Let me not say that. But yeah, me and Optimus, we literally used to get it in on the highway. Get it in, days, night, midnight, sun rising, leave out, sun going down, come back in, sun coming up. When I tell you, man, Optimus, we done been through some things. We done had some experiences, and all I wanted was a place to hold my baby, because I ain't ready to let him go. And this is his place right here for right now. But yeah, we done been through some things. But once again, y'all be careful who you hire. And I was thinking I was getting a decent price. And that's another thing. I paid them to work. And still, they came and goodness gracious. They came and they did work. And I paid him more money the day he said he'd come back. And he ain't been back since. There's been no type of initiation of a phone call to say, hey, I'm on my way, or hey, let me right this wrong. Nobody tried to do anything to, pretty much salvage this loss. Nobody's tried to he has not taken initiative to salvage this loss. And I'm really like, this is how you can easily lose faith in people when they do stuff like this. I mean, this is all me right here, but y'all know I've been doing some stuff, and this is a part of me just trying to, like I said, get some more stuff done. But yeah, I'm just trying to take some of these excess nails out and screws out so I can save them but reuse them. And I'm like, I can't even reuse these doggone nails. I mean, the screws, I can't even reuse them because they so warped. And then look at this wood, because I got other stuff going on too. Look at that. It's warped. You can't reuse it. So now, once again, I tell you, y'all, I ain't even gonna say nothing. It's just, Goodness gracious. I just can't even believe that this even happened. You know what I'm saying? Because you try and do right by people, try and do right by a certain type of people, and then like this is how you get repaid. Hold on, this one may not be. I may be able to salvage this one. Let's see. Yeah, this one worked. This worked because it wouldn't be doing that. It just comes straight out. Straight worked. Look at that. You see that? How it's even coming out. You see that? It's warped. Like, how do you warp a screw, yo? Like, how does it happen? This is what I've been dealing with. Be careful who you hire for contracting work. You don't want no warp screws or excess cost, because now I gotta pay this guy to take down what those other guys were doing. So y'all just be careful out there who you pay. They just did your girl dirty. They did your girl dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. salvage as much as I can for my next project. You want to go outside, don't you? I know you want to go outside and play. I know you do. You're not going outside. No. Look at you trying to be still, so I won't do nothing. Like I don't know you. I know you very well. Okay. Keep looking. Oh, that's what you're looking at. Look, we're here. Who you trying to play? Covering his eyes. That's what you're looking at. Okay.